Want to know how to start or stop I/O checks in NetBeans? So if you want to start or stop input-output checks or I/O checks for your memories in NetBeans, it's super simple. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to keep in mind is that you simply open up your NetBeans application and make sure you have your project opened up first in order to see how much memory it's already checking for I/O checking. So if you think that your I/O checking should be stopped for now or should be paused, here you should be seeing your memory being read or how much memory it takes on your computer right now. So right beside it, you should be seeing this pause icon right here. This simply speaks out pause I/O checks. So just simply select it. And here you should be seeing your I/O checks has been paused. And now in order to resume it, here you can see pending events as well. So if you make any changes in your project, you should be seeing pending events. And if you want to resume it, just simply select resume right here and it should be done. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.